It appears Shiv Sena, Sharad Pawar-led NCP and the Congress were in the dark over the developments taking place in Maharashtra overnight. Except for the parties involved, everybody else woke up to a rather surreal scene of Devendra Fadnavis taking oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and Ajit Pawar joining him as his deputy. Sharad Pawar was quick to dismiss the alliance of the Ajit Pawar-led faction with the BJP. He said that the main party, the Nationalist Congress Party, does not endorse Ajit Pawar's personal decision. Sharad Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule rather dramatically posted that the Parivar and the party had been broken. She went on to call it a betrayal by her cousin Ajit Pawar. In a joint press briefing, Sharad Pawar said Ajit Pawar has claimed the support of a few MLAs, but he does not have the backing of the cadre. Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut in an early reaction tweeted "Paap ka Saudagar." Minutes later, he held a press conference saying that Ajit Pawar had backstabbed his uncle Sharad Pawar and disrespected the principles of Shivaji. He said that Ajit Pawar was present at the meeting between NCP, Congress and Shiv Sena on Friday night but left early citing a meeting with a lawyer, and that was when Raut says he suspected that Ajit Pawar was up to something. He even went on to say that he found the Baramati MLA's body language suspicious. In a joint press briefing, Uddhav Thackeray said BJP chose to do what it did from the shadows, while Sena broke away from BJP and negotiated with NCP and Congress in a fully transparent manner. Abhishek Manu Singhvi was one of the earliest Congress leaders to comment on the events unfolding in Maharashtra, and at that stage he too appeared to think it is fake news. But he wrote that if it is real, then #Pawar to see great hope. He also said that the Congress should not have taken so long to form an alliance, as they had offered the BJP a window to negotiate with Ajit Pawar. Sanjay Jha and Digvijay Singh later picked on the roles of the president and governor, asking whether they ascertained that the BJP Ajit Pawar faction had the numbers to form a stable government. They raised questions over the rushed manner in which the events took place and alleged that the governor and president had aided the ruling government. The Congress was conspicuous with its absence at the joint press briefing by the NCP and Shiv Sena.